Failed to send message in Instagram problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix failed to send message in Instagram problem. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To fix this issue, firstly go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device. Now go straight to your profile and log yourself out of Instagram and log back in again. To log out, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and then scroll down to the bottom and tap on the log out option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on log out again, and once logged out, log in again and see if the issue was fixed or not. If not, see if your Instagram application requires any new updates. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. And if your issue was still not fixed, then go ahead and delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram application. You will see the remove app option. Tap on that and then tap on the delete app option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on delete again and then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Instagram application and reinstall the application again, and by now your Instagram messages should be working just fine. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.